Sam here from Creative Minds. In this video, we're going to take a more in-depth look at the micropayments platform from Creative Minds. This includes managing wallets, looking at reports in both list and graphic form, as well as supported shortcodes and filters. And we're also going to take a look at the easy digital download infrastructure for payments.
So after having activated the CM Micropayment platform, you might get this error message at the top. So to get rid of that, what you're going to need to do is go into your settings, and then you're going to need to assign some point values. If you go to points, you can go to add new, and here you can decide the points value for cash value. So this is how much a point is worth. For example, 100 points for $1 US. A new point setting has been saved, and you can add other points value. For example, 300 points is equal to $3 US. And if we hover over, this is in US dollars, but I'll show you later that this can be adjusted to any international currency. So here you can see that we have the 2 points value in our points settings. If we go into PayPal, you can either have this on test mode or not. Your user on this setting page is going to put in their PayPal email. They can also put in a PayPal style, and then those transactions that they make will be directly linked to their PayPal account. You can also decide whether you want to be able to charge inactive wallets and whether you want that micropayment platform dashboard widget to show up. And this is important if we go to payment currency. As you can see, you can choose from a variety of currencies and basically any currency in the entire world. In notifications, you can check off whether or not you want to receive notifications when points have been taken or added to your wallet. You can give a title of an email that will be sent to your user about points being taken from their wallet. And in the withdraw email content, we have a couple of shortcodes that makes this custom tailored to every user. It shows them the amount of points that have been withdrawn from their wallet and also how many points they have left. And if we scroll down, you can see that there's a couple of other shortcodes that you can use. In the charge email title, this means that your wallet had points added to it. And again, there's shortcodes that you can put in to make it customized. The user ID, the amount of points that have been added to the wallet, etc. If you go to PayPal transactions, here you can see a list of all transactions on your site. You can see the wallet ID, user ID, the price, amount of points, date, and whether that payment was successful or if it's pending. You can sort by different dates, and you can also filter by completed or pending transactions. Under reports, you can get a list of all of the micropayment transactions, whether it's through PayPal or not. You can also filter by month or year or week, and it'll tell you the amount of points and the cost, and whether that was through PayPal or an admin manual charge. You can also view this information in graphic form. So for example, here we're seeing the amount of points that people purchased today, but we can also filter by, for example, last month, and it can show you the points of highest activity when people were really buying those points. And you can also filter by amount. So rather than the point value, it'll tell you how many dollars or whatever currency were actually involved in that transaction. You can also filter by count. So this is going to show you just the numbers of transactions. So if you click on Manage Wallets, here you can see a list of all of the wallets on your site and whether they're active or not. And you can actually go ahead and change the points value of any wallet without going through PayPal or any other payment gateway. For example, let's give wallet of user ID 1 400 points. And as you can see, their total points changed to 400. And you can also deduct points from any wallet. For example, I'm going to say 0 for user ID 2. And there you go. That user now has 0 points. On the Micropayments plugin page, you can find a list of supported shortcodes. These allow you to customize the plugin experience for your users. For example, we have a Create Wallet button. Once clicked, this will create a new wallet ID for that user. Another example we have here is show user balance. So for example, if you use this short code, it'll tell users exactly how many points they have left in their wallet. And let's just see what it's like if we actually use this short code. When I'm editing this post, I'm going to put in you have, and then that short code in there, points left in your wallet at this time. And if I update that and we go to the post and we just scroll down to the bottom where I put in the short code, when they go to ask a question, they'll know exactly how many points are left in their wallet without having to go to their wallet through a hyperlink. Now let's check out different filters. If you're more experienced with WordPress and using PHP, then these filters will be very, very useful for you. It allows more customization and more features than the shortcodes. For example, we have check if user has enough points. The filters all tell you what the values are and the different fields to put into your PHP. We also have charge wallet is an example of another filter.
Creative Minds can help developers integrate Micropayments platform with their own plugins, and Creative Minds will support developers with that integration.
So the last thing I'm going to talk about in this video is the Easy Digital Downloads infrastructure used in conjunction with the Micropayments platform. You can download Easy Digital Downloads for free, which lets you have all different kinds of payment gateways on your WordPress site. The PayPal gateway is included in the free version of Easy Digital Downloads, but different payment gateways are available as add-ons to Easy Digital Downloads if you want to give people multiple ways to make those payments. To integrate with Easy Digital Downloads, after you install the Easy Digital Downloads plugin, and you activate it, if you go to your micropayment platform general settings, here you can simply click use Easy Digital Downloads for checkout, and then you can just save those settings.
Once you've checked off use Easy Digital Downloads, you'll get this notification at the top saying that all payment related settings have been disabled. So if you go to PayPal, you'll see here that this has all been delegated to Easy Digital Downloads.
And now I'm going to show you on that previous post that we were checking out what it's going to look like when someone goes to make a payment after you've activated the Easy Digital Downloads plugin and you have that supported infrastructure. When someone goes to purchase more points, it's going to bring them to that micropayments checkout page where they can choose the amount of points for the price, but then it's going to bring them to an Easy Digital Downloads checkout page. So as you can see, integration with Easy Digital Downloads is really simple, and that PayPal option is included in the free version. But if you get that extension, you can integrate with Micropayments platform and get all different payment gateway options.